Have you ever been faced with an opportunity or a chance to do something new, to discover something, to learn something new, but either something's been holding you back or something's happened and it hasn't got you to the outcome that you were looking for? Well, in order for any new learning to take place, in order for any new discoveries to take place, the first thing that we have to do is we have to be willing to take a risk. All new learning requires risk. Now, once we take that risk, something's going to happen. There's going to be a result or a reaction. Something's going to happen as a result of that risk. And depending on what that result is, it elicits a different response. So once we've taken that risk, we have to consider what's our response to that risk. Did the outcome of that risk, did it kind of send us away? Did it scare us? Did we think, oh no, and we moved away from it and went back to what we always know, back to what we always do? Or did it compel us to go forwards? In other words, what was our response? Did we move away or did we move toward? Did we step back or did we lean in? If our response is proactive and productive, then we look at whatever happened and we think, okay, what did I learn from this? What discovery did I make? How did I make progress? Because the thing is, my friends, if you step forward, even if you trip, you never trip backwards, you only trip forwards. So even if you trip, when you pick yourself up, you'll find that you're 2 or 3 steps further along than you were before you started. So think about your response. Is my response proactive and is it productive? Is it moving me forward? Because if that's the mindset, then we'll know that there really is no failure, only feedback. And once we understand that, that's when we start to see the discovery in the actions that we've taken. And that gives us our reward. And the reward is discovery, is new information, it's progress. If we celebrate that reward and really understand it for what it is, that makes this whole prospect of taking a risk less frightening and actually more inviting. So instead of becoming risk averse, we actually start to move towards those things. As long as we remember that after we take a risk, it all depends how we respond. Do we lean back or do we lean in? Because that response will give us the reward, and the reward will encourage us to take further risks and make more progress. Hope that helps, my friends. Take care.